Alright, let's take a look at this problem. It says Billy earns money by mowing lawns for the summer. He offers two payment plans. Plan 1, pay $150 for the entire summer. Or Plan 2, pay $1 for the first week, $2 for the second, 3 for the fourth, 4 for the fourth, 4 for the third, and 8 for the fourth, and so on. It says if the summer is 8 weeks long, what's the difference in the cost of the two plans? Okay, so Billy's got a couple of options for his customers. He says, okay, you can either pay, so we'll say option 1, number 1. Oh, that says option number 1. It's just to pay $150 up front. That's it. Okay? Option number 2 would be to pay, let's see, for 8 weeks. Let's write our list. We have pay $1 for the first week, $2 for the second week, $4 for the third week, 8 for the fourth. For the fifth, we have to ask ourselves now, okay, how much is the fifth week going to cost? In order to know that, we kind of just have to pick up on the pattern here, don't we? The pattern is that each number is doubling. We're multiplying by 2. So the fifth week is going to be 16 bucks. The sixth week is going to be 32. The seventh week will be 64. And the eighth week will be $128. So you can either pay $150 and get the whole summer for all the 8 weeks, or you could pay each of these amounts for each week. Now, what is the difference between the two plans? We can see pretty clearly that the first one's going to be cheaper because for that 8th week, 128. If you only looked at the 7th and 8th weeks, so here, let's go like this so we can kind of get an idea. This is going to be week 1. This would be week 2. This would be week 3. Week 4. I'm just doing this so we can really get a good look at this. 6, 7, and 8, right? So if we just look at the last 2 weeks, the 7th and the 8th, and added those up, that would be more than the $150. So option 2 is going to be more expensive. But that's not exactly what the question's asking us, is it? I mean, it's part of it in a way, is realizing that. But it's asking us actually what the difference is. Difference, when we hear this word, we should think of subtraction. We should think of the total of one minus the total of the other. So we already know this total, but let's figure out our total for this option. We're going to have to add up all of these numbers. So if we do 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16 plus 32 plus 64 plus 128. Okay, I'm going to pause this recording and do that in a calculator. Okay, the calculator told me that this equals $255. Now, to get the difference, we're going to take 255 and subtract our 150. So we'll go back to black. 255, subtract 150. You may be able to do that in your head and realize that it's going to be $105. That's going to give me a 0. That will give me a 1. So the difference is $105, and that would be your answer right there. Okay, thanks, and good luck.